In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a standard part of our daily lives. From work deadlines to personal responsibilities, we all experience stress in one form or another. But have you ever stopped to think about how stress can impact your physical and mental health? In this video, we will explore the profound effects of stress on our well-being and the importance of managing it effectively. Stress is our body's natural response to any demand or threat. It triggers a cascade of physiological changes, including releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which prepare us to face challenges. While stress can be beneficial in short bursts, chronic stress can affect our health. It can weaken our immune system, increase the risk of heart disease, and even contribute to mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. Understanding stress's effects on our physical and mental well-being is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. When we are under constant stress, our bodies remain highly alert, leading to inflammation, high blood pressure, and disrupted sleep patterns. Over time, these effects can manifest in various health problems, making it essential to address stress proactively. Managing stress is about feeling better at the moment and safeguarding our long-term health. By coping with stress effectively, we can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve our mental clarity, and enhance our overall quality of life. From practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques to engaging in regular physical activity, there are numerous strategies we can employ to keep stress at bay. So join us as we delve into the intricate relationship between stress and health and discover the transformative power of stress management for achieving optimal well-being. Let's take a proactive approach to caring for our minds and bodies, starting with understanding and addressing the impact of stress. Stress is a natural response that our bodies have to any demand or challenge. It can come in various forms and intensities and affect us physically, mentally, and emotionally. In this segment, we will delve into the concept of stress, its different manifestations, and the everyday stressors we encounter daily. There are two main types of stress, acute and chronic. Acute stress is short-term and often triggered by specific events or situations, such as giving a presentation or facing a deadline. While acute stress can be intense, it typically subsides once the stressor is removed. On the other hand, chronic stress is long-term and ongoing, resulting from persistent issues like financial problems, relationship conflicts, or work-related pressures. Chronic stress can have a more profound impact on our health, leading to a range of physical and mental health issues if left unmanaged. Physically, stress can manifest in various ways, such as muscle tension, headaches, digestive problems, and weakened immune function. Chronic stress can contribute to more severe conditions like hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. Mentally, stress can lead to feelings of anxiety, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and even depression. The constant activation of the body's stress response can disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, affecting our mood and cognitive function. In our daily lives, we encounter numerous stressors that can trigger both acute and chronic stress. Everyday stressors include work-related pressures, financial worries, relationship conflicts, academic demands, and health concerns. External factors like traffic congestion, noise pollution, and time constraints can also contribute to our stress levels. Recognizing these stressors and developing healthy coping mechanisms to manage them effectively is essential. By understanding the different forms of stress, how it can impact us physically and mentally, and identifying everyday stressors, we can take proactive steps to mitigate its effects and promote overall well-being. Stay tuned as we explore practical strategies for managing stress and enhancing our resilience in the face of life's challenges. Physical health impacts. Stress is not just a mental or emotional burden. It can also profoundly affect our physical health. In this segment, we will explore how stress contributes to various conditions like hypertension, obesity, and a weakened immune system, and its impact on cardiovascular health. We will also emphasize the significance of lifestyle changes in managing stress-related physical health issues. Chronic stress can significantly impact our physical well-being by contributing to conditions such as hypertension, obesity, and a weakened immune system. When we are under stress, our bodies release stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can lead to elevated blood pressure over time, increasing the risk of hypertension. Prolonged stress can also disrupt our metabolism, leading to weight gain and obesity, which further exacerbates the risk of developing chronic diseases. Moreover, stress can weaken our immune system's ability to fight infections and illnesses. The constant activation of the stress response can suppress immune function, making us more susceptible to colds, flu, and other health issues. We can support our immune system's resilience and overall health by managing stress effectively. Chronic stress can contribute to the development of heart disease, by increasing inflammation, raising blood pressure, and promoting unhealthy habits like overeating and smoking. Over time, these factors can damage the heart and blood vessels, leading to conditions like heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular issues. Lifestyle changes play a crucial role in managing stress-related physical health issues. Engaging in regular physical activity, practicing relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation, maintaining a healthy diet, getting adequate sleep, and seeking social support are all effective strategies for reducing stress levels and improving overall health. By adopting a holistic approach to wellness, we can mitigate the negative impact of stress on our physical well-being and promote long-term health and vitality. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the connection between stress and physical health, and explore practical tips for incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine to combat stress-related health issues. Mental health impacts. The connection between stress and mental health is undeniable, with stress playing a significant role in the development and exacerbation of various mental health conditions. In this segment, we will delve into how stress impacts anxiety, depression, overall mental well-being, the concept of burnout, and coping strategies for managing stress-related mental health challenges. When we experience chronic stress, our bodies remain in a constant state of high alert, leading to heightened feelings of worry, fear, and unease associated with anxiety disorders. Additionally, prolonged stress can disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, affecting mood regulation and potentially triggering or worsening symptoms of depression. Chronic stress can also compromise overall mental well-being, leading to feelings of overwhelm, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. The persistent activation of the stress response can drain our cognitive resources, making it challenging to cope with daily stressors and maintain emotional stability. Burnout is a term often used to describe the state of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion resulting from prolonged exposure to stress, particularly in the workplace. Chronic stress can lead to burnout, characterized by feelings of fatigue, cynicism, and reduced efficacy in one's work or personal life. Engaging in activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or spending time in nature, can help reduce stress levels and improve mental well-being. Seeking support from friends, family, or mental health professionals, practicing self-care, setting boundaries, and prioritizing self-compassion are effective strategies for managing stress and protecting mental health. Stay tuned as we explore more ways to nurture your mental health and build resilience against stress-related challenges. Managing stress. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but how we respond to it can make all the difference in our well-being. In this segment, we will provide practical tips for managing and reducing stress, including relaxation techniques, the benefits of physical activity and healthy eating, and the importance of seeking professional help. One effective way to manage stress is through relaxation techniques that promote mindfulness, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises. Mindfulness practices help us stay present in the moment, reducing feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. Taking a few minutes daily to engage in deep breathing exercises or guided meditation can help calm the mind and body, promoting peace and relaxation. Physical activity and healthy eating play a crucial role in stress management. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress hormones like cortisol and increase the production of endorphins, our body's natural mood boosters. Whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, or hitting the gym, regular physical activity can help alleviate stress and improve overall well-being. While self-care strategies are valuable in managing stress, it's essential to recognize when professional help may be needed. Seeking support from a therapist, counselor, or mental health professional can provide valuable tools and resources for addressing underlying stressors and developing healthy coping mechanisms. Therapy can offer a safe space to explore and process emotions, learn new stress management techniques, and receive personalized guidance for navigating challenging situations. By incorporating relaxation techniques, engaging in physical activity, maintaining a healthy diet, and seeking professional help, we can build a comprehensive approach to managing and reducing stress. Remember that managing stress is a journey, and asking for help along the way is okay. Stay tuned as we explore more strategies for cultivating resilience and well-being in the face of stress. It is crucial to recognize the importance of managing stress for maintaining optimal health. Incorporating relaxation techniques, engaging in physical activity, maintaining a balanced diet, and seeking professional help are all essential components of a comprehensive stress management plan. If you found this video helpful and informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Liking and sharing this video with your friends and family can help spread awareness about the importance of managing stress for overall well-being. Thank you for watching.